How to change the color of Google Calendar events. Now in order to change the color of Google Calendar's event, you just simply need to open your Google Calendar app at very first and just simply open the event where you would like to change the color of the event. For example, this is the calendar of April and I have the event of birthday at 16th of April. Just simply open the event like this and tap to the event. After that, the event will successfully be opened up. Tap to this pencil icon in order to edit the event details. After tapping in the edit, you just simply need to scroll down and you will see the option of default color. Just simply tap to that and you can select any of the colors from the colors that are available in here. For example, let's select banana and after selecting the desired color, tap to save button and your event colors will successfully be changed like this. This is how you can very easily change your event color in Google Calendar. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.